Are you ready to secure your hard-earned retirement savings? The world of gold IRAs can feel confusing, but choosing the right custodian doesn't have to be. Let me share a story of someone just like you, Bob and Susan Henderson from Florida. They had spent their lives building a comfortable retirement. After working for decades in the corporate world, Bob retired at 62 with $500,000 in his 401k, and Susan, a retired nurse, had her own retirement savings of $350,000. Their dream was simple: to retire comfortably and leave something for their children. But like many retirees, Bob and Susan started getting worried. News headlines were constantly talking about economic instability, inflation, and market volatility. Just last week, President Trump warned of an impending recession, and many economists are predicting that the storm is only getting started. So, Bob and Susan decided to take control of their future. They didn't want to rely on the unpredictable stock market anymore, so they looked into gold IRAs. But when they started, they quickly realized there's more to it than just buying gold. The first hurdle? Finding a trustworthy custodian. And trust me, there are plenty of horror stories out there about shady custodians who don't have their clients' best interests at heart. That's why I'm here today, to help you make the right choice. Choosing the right custodian can make all the difference in ensuring your retirement stays protected. Here are a few tips you need to know. 1. Check for proper licensing. Make sure your gold IRA custodian is approved by the IRS. You don't want to risk your retirement with an unregulated company. Look for custodians who are registered with the IRS as a custodian for self-directed IRAs. 2. Transparency is key. When you're looking at custodians, ask them for clear and detailed information about their fees, services, and how they handle your gold. You need to understand exactly what you're paying for. 3. Look for a reputation of trust. Do some research into the custodian's track record. Check online reviews, read testimonials from real customers, and see if they have any complaints filed against them with the Better Business Bureau. 4. Customer service matters. You need a custodian who is going to treat you like a priority. When you're transferring your hard-earned savings into a gold IRA, you want to make sure you can reach out for assistance whenever you need it. 5. Diversification options. Find a custodian that offers more than just gold. You may want to diversify your holdings with silver, platinum, or other precious metals. Make sure the custodian gives you the flexibility to manage your portfolio the way you see fit. Bob and Susan took these steps, and after a lot of research, they chose a custodian that not only met all these criteria, but also offered personalized service to help them transfer part of their 401k into a gold IRA. They felt a sense of relief. Their retirement savings were now safer from the volatility of the stock market. They were able to sleep easier knowing they had made the right decision for themselves and their future. Now, imagine you're in their shoes. You've worked hard all your life to build your retirement savings. Do you want to leave that to chance? Or do you want to make sure that your savings are protected from the unpredictable market and inflation? It's not just about gold. It's about securing your future. You worked hard to build your nest egg. Don't let it slip away. And the best part? You don't have to navigate this process alone. I'm offering a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call with a specialist who can help you understand your options. No pressure, no sales gimmicks, just honest, straightforward advice. If you have over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, or even if you have more than $5 million saved, this guide is for you. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Take control today by clicking the link in the description below for your free guide and call. It's time to secure your future, just like Bob and Susan did. Because your retirement isn't just about the money you've saved. It's about the legacy you leave behind.